In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Outlook calendar with Asana. This powerful combination can enhance your productivity by syncing your scheduled tasks and meetings, allowing you to manage your time more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the specific Asana project you wish to integrate with your Outlook calendar. This is crucial because integrating with the right project ensures your tasks are aligned properly with your calendar events. Once you have the project open, cast your gaze towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Customize button. Go ahead and click on that. Upon clicking Customize, you'll be greeted with a variety of options, but our focus today is on Rules. Go ahead and select Rules to enter a world where you can automate and streamline your project management tasks. Next up, look for the Add button in the Rules section. Clicking this will open up the Rule Creator and Editor, which is where the real magic happens. This is your control center for creating automation rules that sync your Outlook calendar and Asana tasks seamlessly. Once you're in the Rule Creator, you'll see a panel on the left. From here, you'll want to select Outlook Calendar. This selection triggers a display of all available rule templates that work with Outlook Calendar. You'll find templates designed to cater to a variety of needs, so take a moment to review them and select the one that best fits what you're aiming to achieve. After identifying the most suitable rule template, it's time to connect your Outlook calendar account to Asana. You accomplish this by simply clicking on the Connect to Outlook Calendar button. This step is significant because it establishes the initial communication line between Asana and Outlook. Now, once you hit that button, you're required to grant permissions. This is a standard procedure when connecting apps. Think about it as giving them a handshake and permission to work together harmoniously. You'll also need to log into your Outlook account if you aren't already. So, just continue through these prompts. And there you have it. With these simple few steps, you've successfully integrated your Outlook calendar with your Asana project. This integration lays the groundwork for heightened productivity, enabling you to track tasks and meetings all in one place, thereby minimizing overlooked deadlines and maximizing efficiency. As you maneuver through your projects, feel free to adjust rules and integrations as your needs evolve. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more incredibly useful tips and guides. See you next time.